Bonjour. Les connecteurs. The connectors which add two independent sentences or add an important word with the whole sentence, changing its meaning. A means and. Lucy et Ravi sont partis en France. Lucy and Ravi, and it is joining over here two people. Lucy et Ravi sont partis en France. Second, Martin travaille dans le bureau et il étudie aussi. Till bureau, it's a complete sentence, but and over here is adding one more sentence, that he studies too. Third sentence, je mange et j'écoute la radio. Je mange is a complete sentence which says I eat, and I listen to the radio too. Fourth sentence, je cuisine et je papote sur le portable. I cook and I speak on the phone. Mais means but. Je peux cuisiner mais pas si bien. I can cook but not that well. Number 2. Le portable est bon mais c'est coûteux. The phone is good but it's costly. Je dois venir tôt mais j'ai beaucoup de travail. I must come early but I have a lot of work. Fourth, j'habite ici mais je n'aime pas cette ville. I live here but I don't like this city. Parce que, because of. Il est malade parce qu'il a mangé quelque chose de mauvais. He is sick because he has eaten something bad. Number 2. Il a mal à la tête parce qu'il a écouté beaucoup de radio aujourd'hui. He has a headache. Mal à la tête, headache, because he has listened to a lot of radio today. Aujourd'hui, today. Number 3. Cécile a quitté le boulot parce que son chef ne le paye pas bien. Cécile has left her office because the boss is not paying that well. Grâce à, with your grace, with your help. When you have to give credit to somebody for something you have gained because of them, then you use the word grâce à, not parce que. Parce que is a negative word. Try to understand the three sentences we have done just back. So grâce à is positive, with your grace, with your help. First sentence. Il a appris le français grâce à son ami. He has learned the French because of or with the help of his friend. Number 2. Elle est arrivée tôt grâce à sa voiture. She has come early with the help of her car. Elle est arrivée tôt grâce à son ami qui a une voiture. She has come early because of her friend who has a car. Number 4. Grâce à mon professeur, j'ai eu de bonnes notes. With the help of my teacher, my professor, I have got good marks. Or, formal and. The and which is very literary, very literal and. Used in long soutenu, the highest level of a language. First sentence. Or, il était parti. And he was gone. Number 2. Or tu peux l'accompagner. And and you can accompany him. Number 3. Or Nora a lu le livre que j'avais acheté pour elle. And Nora has read the book that I had bought for her. Number 4. Or Anna m'a raconté toute l'histoire. And Anna told me the whole story. Pour, for. Le cadeau est pour Sylvia. The gift is for Sylvia. Number 2. Les fleurs sont pour Nora. The flowers are for Nora. J'ai acheté une voiture pour ma femme. I have bought a car for my wife. Number 4. Martin a beaucoup travaillé pour la famille. Martin has worked a lot for the family. Avec, with. Je mange sandwich avec le thé. I eat sandwich with the tea. Number 2. Barbara regarde le film avec les enfants. Barbara sees the film with the kids. Number 3. Tony Stark travaille avec les robots. Tony Stark works with the robots. Practice these connectors and try to make sentences.